Day for Samir because next piece of news, the government has allowed manufacturers to revise MRP on unsold stock due to GST rate changes, and this in fact comes as a burst of relief for several manufacturers who are grappling with excess stock come September 22nd. So Samir joins us again with more details. Samir, a big relief there for manufacturers and retailers alike.
So the entire context has to be understood from the point of view that the government announced that the new GST rate and the relaxation or the rationalization that will come into effect from 22nd of September. So what will happen to the packaging or the product which are having old labeling? So what will happen to that particular part? So in the same light, now the Consumer Affairs Ministry, they have issued an order bringing that sort of relief to the industry that they can sell the products, the old product at the old MRP rates. The labeling can be old, but the whatever the rationalization part is there, that can be communicated to the passengers, and for that there are a couple of steps that can be adopted. For example, old MRP which is there printed on the product, it will remain intact, it will be there, but whatever the rationalization or the reduction in the price is there, stamping can be done on that product so that the customer will have an idea, well informed, that okay, the old MRP is this much and the revised MRP which comes into effect post 22nd of September is what that has been displayed through stamp or any form of advertisement. So that sort of means or solution has been provided. Order has been issued by the Consumer Affairs Ministry, and very important part is that this order will be applicable till 31st of March 2025, in the sense that the product having old MRP or the old packaging labeling will continue till 31st of March 2025. So that's a relief part to the industry. But yes, whatever the benefits or the rationalization comes into effect from 22nd of September, that has to be properly disseminated to the customer. And there are a couple of ways that can be adopted by the manufacturer, by the industry, by the e-commerce entity. And that has been listed out, that it can be done through stamping, through the advertisement on in the newspaper. And then there are a couple of other ways as well. So government is trying to give sort of a solution to the industry that yes, you can continue with old packaging till 31st of December 2025, but there are ways that has to be adopted so that the benefit can be passed on to the consumer.
Right, at the end of the day, the benefit there needs to be passed on to consumers. Samir, thanks so much for joining us with the latest updates from all those news stories.